We're gonna stop doing swag strats. And we're just gonna play the game. Okay, maybe this won't take as long as I thought. Maybe Slime God isn't as bad as I had hoped. Wait, hoped? What? That was an awful rage, by the way. We're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. This is really, really cool accessory, by the way. The one that gives me like the cool looking wings.
Yeah.
It's a really cool vanity. Okay. Stop it. Oh god. What the hell? Attempt 6. That's the dodgeball is going in the no-hit. The dodgeball is going in the no-hit. I don't care because I'm not doing that again. That's really funny.